I just finished with this wonderful vintage Reuge singing bird cage. This bird cage was crafted by Reuge in 1969. That's the date that is handwritten on the original bellows. I went through everything. The bird, the mechanism, the bellows, the cage, and this bird sings exactly as it should. And let's hear it play. I'm going to start off with continuous. As you can see, the automation is perfect. The beak and tail flap. On the Reuge bird cages, the body actually rotates, which is different than most, and the head rotates as well. Let me switch to pause. Bear with me. This bird cage has an amazingly long pause, so I want you to bear with me. Probably one of the longest pauses I've seen on a bird cage. The bellows and all of the pneumatic elements on the mechanism are flawless. Okay. Then it'll pause again. We'll do one more pause and then we'll switch to continuous. As you can see, the bird feathers are also original. Excellent condition. I cleaned all the feathers by hand, so they look really nice. The cage would be gold gilt. It's gold over brass. Okay, it's back to continuous. The mechanism winds smoothly. The mechanism also runs very quietly, which is also nice. Yet the bird song is strong. The bird sings with full voice, hitting all of the oscillating notes as it should, and automates perfectly. I'm going to turn this off. Then to wind the cage, see the winding key here, just so you can see. It didn't need a wind, but I just want to show you how this works. In summary, vintage Reuge singing bird cage, crafted in 1969, in excellent condition, that plays exactly how it should. Take care.